Welcome friends. This is the last function from the Lambda. Okay. So in this function also takes the all the elements from a list, and then Lambda reduce function, it reduce the list of elements to a single element or single item. Very impressive function. If you want as any requirement in your project time, you can use this function. There is the number of elements are there, but if you want to reduce down that all the elements to a single element, this reduce functions helps you. Okay, so reduce function is belongs to the func tool model. Okay, so it's can't directly work, but it helps lots. So see how it is going to be work. So suppose here I am going to write as func tools from func tools import reduce. Now there is a list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There is a 10 elements inside a list. Equal to, it reduce it. Okay, so reduce. Okay, then lambda colon x comma y colon x plus y. Then you have to mention that list. Okay, then print. Okay, it's the reduce the function. It reduce this reduce function, it reduce the entire list items to a single. If you add it all the elements, it returns to the single element. Here 55 returns as a single element. If you want to present it inside the list, you can also present inside the list constructor. There is no problem, but here's a single element is going to be written. It's a single element going to be written. So here it cannot be converted as an integer object, because why it is not converted, I will explain it why it is not possible. Because when it is going to be added, that's x and y, and it returns to the addition 3 2, then there is addition, and it returns the directly as a in the form of string. Okay, so that's why it is not going to be help you as a return as a string. So it's better for as write in a simple way. Reduce lambda expression, addition it all the elements inside the list elements, then it returns to as a assigned to the particular variable, that's a redo, and it returns. Okay, fine. So this is the lambda reduce function, and this is the last video from the lambda function. Here after that we have to discuss about differentiations, depth function, lambda without lambda, how it is going to be helpful. Okay, thank you.